This was the note that the mother wrote about her son Jordan. "My heart is so full of gratitude for how you helped my son. I just got off the phone with Jordan. He was choked up and he could hardly talk. Thank you." Those kind of notes are neat, and they also reveal something that hearing well and hearing in a correct way is kind of an emotional thing. When you connect with people and when you're able to talk with individuals and actually have a meaningful conversation and really open your heart up, it makes us so close to people. It keeps us in the inner circle, and it makes life, way more enjoyable.